once again to our dear teachers. I'm going to show you a short video on how we could restore or recover some of deleted items in our canvas. And some of these items we might have deleted by accident. So that's something that is very, very unfortunate. And that is something that is really heart breaking. But actually, we have a way on how to restore them and put them back to normal, even if they are quizzes or assignments with already um, scores, no, on them in your grade book, we can still restore them. So shout out to Miss Anna Mer for sharing with me the process because she was able to encounter this very unfortunate event of deleting her quiz by accident, but she was able to restore it using this process. So, first thing that we need to do is, of course, go to your course style, okay, on which the deleted item is supposed to be found. So, first is wherever you may be in your course style, you have to go back to your home page. So, you click home, make sure you're in your home page, and in your browser, in your URL, all you have to do is add this extension. Okay, slash, and then type and delete and press enter. And after that, all those deleted items that you have, once deleted or removed in your Canvas account or in this course style, will show up. And all you have to do is actually click restore if ever you want them restored. So as you can see, these are the different contents that I have already removed and deleted. But here it's actually showing up and I could restore them and put them back on in my course style. Okay, so with that, I hope this video would give us an assurance that if ever this thing would happen, we could still get back those lost files. So thank you very much. Hope this helps.